I am Dr. W. B. Gundule from Kamalanand Mahavidyalaya, Nagpur. Today we are discussing the important synthesis reaction of the metallocarborane. Metallocarborane are the compound or the metal complexes which are obtained by the reaction between metal ions or metal with the neutral carbonates or the anionic carbonates. In these metal complexes, the vacant orbital of the metal overlap with the appropriate symmetry orbital of the carbonates, that is anionic carbonates or the neutral carbonates, and forming the compound which is known as the metallocarbonates. And actually, in case of metallocarbonates, the nidocarbonane and the arachnocarbonates have greater capacity to form such type of metal complexes, that is metallocarbonates. So metallocarbonates contain metal, also carbon and the boron, and when the orbital of metal and orbital of carbonates overlapping and forming the metal complexes or metallocarbonate, in which there is a formation of metal boron, metal carbon, different types of bondings are formed. So in today's part we are discussing different methods of synthesis or the preparation of metallocarbonates. So today's topic is the cluster 1 and boron hydride. This is the part number 7, and in this part we are discussing details about the what is meant by metallocarbonate, synthesis of metallocarbonates, different examples and structure of metallocarbonates. So as we know, already discussed what is carbonate, metal, boranes, and now these are the metallocarbonates. So metallocarbonates are the complexes of metal ion with the neutral carbonates, and in this type of metal complexes, vacant orbital of metal overlap with the symmetrical orbital of carbon and forming metal boron, metal carbon bonds, and which is also known as the metallocarbonate. One example is given here how the metallocarbonates are formed. How metal boron, how metal carbon, so both are there. So this is an example of metallocarbonate. Metal is there, carbon is there, boron is also there. So carbon combined with metal ion forming metallocarbonate. So this is the Fe2 plus metal ion react with the carbonide anion. When this carbonide anion react with the Fe, forming metallocarbonate. So formula is FeC2B9H11 twice. So two are there. This is one and this is another. Structure is shown of the FeC2H9H11 2. So this is the metallocarbonate, and these are the two units are present. So one is here, second is here, and this is the one Fe present at the center. In this case, the this circle is shows the CH, and this dark one circle is the CH, and hollow circle is the BH unit. So there is a metal boron metal carbon bonds shown in the structure, and this is the structure of metallocarbonate, and formula of this metallocarbonate is FeC2B9H11 2. So here is shown, so C2 two carbons are here. So here is shown, this is the one CH bond, two carbons are here, and in this case these two carbons are here. 9 borons are there, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and this is the 9 total. So 9 are there. So in this case also 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 9 borons are there, and the remaining are the hydrogens are there 11. So this is the structure and example of metallocarbonate. Now we can say that general carbonate anion are obtained by the action of C2H-B10H12 carbonate, and this carbonate anion have greater capacity to form coordinate with the metal, and this carbonate C2B8H11 anions is known as the dicarbonate anion, and generally it is observed that nido and arachnocarbonates have greater capacity to form such type of metal complexes which is known as metallocarbonate. And there are different synthetic route synthesis of metallocarbonate. and here you are given the 6 different route to prepare the metallocarborane. So the 6 are the first one is the coordination using nidocarborane anion as the ligand, polyhedral expansion, polyhedral contraction, polyhedral subrogation, thermal metal transfer, direct oxidative insertion of metal center. So different routes are there for the synthesis, but now the nido and arachnocarboranes have greater capacity to form metallocarborane. So these are the different route, 6 different route to form or to prepare metallocarborane. So in this case, first route is a coordination using nidocarborane anion as the ligand. So in this case, carbamide anion, the carbamide anion combined with Fe2 plus metal ion to form pink colored dimagnetic metallocarborane. This we can also say that this is the bis sandwich type of complex, which can be reversibly oxidized to correspond red color Fe3 plus complex. So here again similar to the first complex, here the metal Fe carbamide anion, and this is the C5H5 ion, and it is in the presence of THF there is a loss of electron, and we get here Fe3 plus. So Fe2 plus now become Fe3 plus, and this cyclohexane pentadienyl anion, and this is the another ligand, and so these are the 2 units, and here this is one, and this is 1 unit shown here, and this is another unit is shown here, and which are sandwiched between these 2 ligand there is a Fe metal ion. So we can say that it is a sandwich type of complex and reversibly oxidized. In this case also again similar to first structure, this is the BH unit and this circle is the CH unit, shown here the formula of this metallocarborane. So in this way we get the metallocarborane which contain boron, carbon and the metal. Only boron and the carbons are present, which is known as carborane, and only the metal and the borons are present, it is metalloborane. So metalloboranes, carboranes, and now this one is the metallocarborane. So metal present along with the carboranes. So this is the first method of synthesis, and metal carbonyl can also be react with the carbamide anion, and which also give the metallocarborane. So another in the first case coordination, hexacarbonyl molybdenum react with the carbamide anion, act as a ligand, and forming this type of metallocarborane. 3 molecules of CO get eliminated, and here MO, CO, molybdenum, CO3, and 3 CO eliminated, and this is the ligand, carbamide anion ligand. So here this is the 1 carbamide anion is a ligand, and 3 CO are here, 1, 2, 3, and this is the molybdenum metal. So there is a bonding between molybdenum with the carbon, molybdenum with the carbons are there. So here this is the 1 unit shown here, and this is the 3 carbonyl which are present attached to the molybdenum. So this is another reaction of the synthesis of metallocarborane, in which hexacarbonyl molybdenum react with the carbamide anion, and we get metallocarborane and elimination of 3 molecules of CO. And structure of this metallocarborane is also shown in this slide. Second method is a important polyhedral expansion method, and as we have seen, this is the second route of synthesis of metallocarborane, and in this case chlorocarbonane undergo reduction in the presence of strong reducing agent like sodium naphthalide and the metal, and finally we get metallocarborane, and the reaction of this preparation of this by using this polyhedral expansion method is shown here. So this is the clozo compound, and here in presence of sodium naphthalide is shown here, in presence of THF we get 2 molecules of nido C2Bn minus 2 HEl, and then this nido, first we get nido from this compound clozo, and from nido we get the metallocarborane. So when it reacts with the metal, MEn plus metal get attached and we get this type of metallocarborane. This is the expansion, because this coordination sphere increases, and here there is expansion. We have started from closure we get nido, and from nido we get the metallocarbonates. So this is the polyhedral expansion method for the synthesis of metallocarbonates. Now this metallocarborane can also be obtained by another route. In this reaction, closocarbonane undergo opening of the one of the vertices to give the nidocarborane, and this is followed by the metal insertion, that is insertion of metal, and to form closure structure of the metal carbonate. Example is given here. This is closometalloborane, and in presence of COCl2 and OH minus, we get this 3 metal cluster of metallocarborane. So 3 metals are there, cobalt are 3 here, and here is only cobalt. So this is closometallocarborane. We get 3 metal cluster of the metallocarborane, and structure is shown. The structure of closometallocarborane, this is the structure. When it reacts with COCl2, we get this type of combination is there, 3 metal. So 3 metals are here, 1, this is 2, and this is 3. So 3 metal cluster of metalloborane is shown. Again in this case, this is the compound which is known as closometalloborane, and this same reaction is shown with the structure, and we get this compound. This hollow circle is the BH, and the solid circle, dark circle is the CH unit. So in this way we obtain metallocarbonates. And third important method of preparation is the polyhedral contraction. Now here is a contraction, polyhedral contraction. Previous method was the polyhedral expansion, now contraction. This method involves the removal of one of the BH group. So in this case, there is a removal of one of the BH group from the closometallocarborane by using a nucleophile base degradation. After this, it is followed by the oxidative closure of nidometallocarborane to close species with one vertex less than original. Therefore, it is known as the contraction. Polyhedral contraction is not much common method for the preparation of metal. This is not common method, and one example is shown here. This is the one closometallocarborane, and in presence of H2O2 and ethoxydan, we get there is a removal of one BH unit, and therefore we get this type of structure. This is one metal, and this is the structure of this ligand, and in this way there is a loss, and we get loss of one unit. One vertices is removed, and so we get this type of structure. This is known as the contraction. So this is not common method of preparation of metallocarborane. Fourth method is also there, what is known as the polyhedral subrogation. In this subrogation, again there is a replacement of BH vertex by a metal vertices in cluster without changing number of vertices, and this is therefore this is known as the polyhedral subrogation. In this method, first BH group is removed using the base, and then it is followed by the reaction with transition metal, which keep in a vertices same. So by first removal of BH unit, then the vertices is occupied by the metal. So structure is shown here. This is the cobalt metal, and this is the one ligand, this is another ligand, and here there is a here cobalt 3 plus in presence of base, and C5H5 minus. We get the similar type. So here we get cobalt, and this is here one. These are the 2 and C2H B9H11. So this is the metalloborane obtained after removal of BH and addition of one metal. So this is the method known as subrogation method. Fifth method is also there, thermal metal transfer. Thermally metal transfer. This method is less common and less specific as compared to coordination nidocarbonate as the ligand in this and polyhedral expansion method. This method involves pyrolysis of metallocarbonate followed by cluster expansion. which is also known as disproportionation, similar to that of the chlorocarbon. In this method, mixture of metallocarbonates are obtained. So one example is shown here. This is the compound nidocarbonate, and for heating at these temperatures at 7, we get this type of, here is one cobalt, another unit of ligand, another. So metallocarbonates are obtained of this type, and in this case we get different types of a mixture of metallocarbonates. So one example is shown here, how it is converted into another. So this is quite different, and thermally when we heated the nidocarbonate, then it is converted into another, and we get the metallocarbonate mixture. And one more method is there, what is the 6th number, which is known as direct oxidative insertion of metal center. What is the name? Direct oxidative insertion of metal center. So in this case, nucleophilic zero valent derivative of nickel, palladium and platinum insert directly into the chlorocarbonate in the concentrated process which involve the net transfer of carbonate. So here also the reaction is shown. This is the metal and this is another ligand, forming this type of metal ligand X and this one ligand. So this is the metallocarbon, and there is a removal of another ligand. So this removal of here, in this case here means the triethyl phosphine C8H12 RCl X, like that. So here if you take the example platinum P82,5 pentatriethyl phosphine here. So this MM is methyl and this is the ligand. At this temperature, in case of petrol, what is the metallocarbonates obtained, and the formula of this carbonate is shown here. This is platinum, this is the ligand, and this is another Me, and this is the ligand, and this group is eliminated. So metallocarbonates obtained by, so in this case direct insertion of in the chloroborane is taking place. So nickel or palladium or platinum is directly inserted, and which involve the net transfer of carbonate. So this is the direct oxidative insertion of metal center in the carbonates, and we get metallocarbonates. So 6 different routes are there for the synthesis or for the preparation of metallocarbonate. So this is another part, that is the metallocarbonate, and we can synthesize metallocarbonate. And so these metal complexes are obtained by different 6 routes which we have seen. And so here another example is shown, that many metallocarbonates can also be prepared by using this method, which include the 6 metal cluster. So here is the carbonate. When it reacts with the FeCO9, we get this type of structure, and this one of the here Fe metal occupy these vertices. This is the 5 centered, now here 6, and one of the vertices is occupied by metal, and carbonates, 3 carbonates attached to these terminal carbonates are there. And again now further it reacts with the FeCO5 at this temperature to 30 degrees Celsius. We get this type of structure. Another this position is occupied by the metal. 3 carbonates are there. Already these 3 carbonates was there. Now this is the one of the unit, BH unit is replaced, and we get this type of structure. So we can say that metallocarbonates can also be prepared by this method, and in this case 6 metal clusters also can be synthesized. So in today's part we have seen what is metallocarbonate. So metallocarbonate are the metal complexes in which metal ion react with the carbonates, that is neutral carbonates, and forming the compound which is known as the metallocarbonate. In this case, nido and arachnocarbonates are suitable for formation of metallocarbonates. But there are, as we have seen, there are 6 different routes to prepare the metallocarbonates. So some of the first 2 methods are common, but other last 2-3 methods are rarely used. to synthesize or to prepare the metallocarboline. So metallocarboline is an important part. So in this we have seen what is carboline. First of all we have discussed what is boron, then carboline, then metalloborin, and now metallocarboline. So metallocarboline forms by the overlapping between the vacant orbital of metal and the orbital appropriate symmetry orbital of neutral carboline. So these two orbital overlap and forming the bond like metal boron, metal carbon, different types of bondings are there and we get different structures. So different methods of the preparation of metallocarbonates we have seen in today's part.